Good morning, breakfast lovers. Today, we're traveling the world from the comfort of your kitchen, exploring healthy breakfasts that are simple, flavorful, and inspired by global traditions. From savory Asian mornings to elegant French routines and vibrant Latin American meals, we're about to change the way you start your day. Ready to say goodbye to boring toast? Let's go! Did you know that the way we start our day can set the tone for the entire day? Breakfast isn't just a meal. It's a cultural experience. Around the world, morning rituals vary widely. From a steaming bowl of rice in Asia to a quick café au lait in France. And they offer valuable lessons in how to nourish our bodies and kickstart our days in the healthiest and most flavorful ways. Our first stop is France. Imagine waking up in a charming French bistro. The aroma of freshly baked bread mingles with the rich scent of coffee. This is where our journey begins, where the magic of French cuisine meets the simplicity of a refined morning routine. But don't be fooled by the elegance. Creating a French-inspired breakfast is incredibly simple. It takes just a few minutes to bring a touch of Parisian charm to your table. In France, breakfast is not just a refueling stop. It's an opportunity to savor the finer things in life. It's a moment to appreciate the subtle flavors and textures that make French cuisine so celebrated. A typical French breakfast might include a baguette, maybe some butter and jam, or perhaps a pastry like a croissant. It's a balanced blend of carbohydrates, fats, and if you choose, a touch of sweetness. And then there's the quintessential café au lait, the perfect marriage of strong coffee and warm milk. This harmonious blend isn't merely a beverage. It's a ritual, a tribute to the art of coffee making that France cherished. But here's a little secret to make your morning coffee even more delightful. Instead of simply heating up milk, try this. Gently warm your coffee with a splash of milk and a pinch of cinnamon. This transforms your everyday cup into a café au lait style masterpiece. The slight heating of the milk enhances its natural sweetness and the cinnamon adds a layer of warmth that complements the robust coffee. Our next stop is Asia, where the sun rises over a tapestry of flavors, each as unique and invigorating as the next. From the misty mountains of Vietnam to the bustling markets of Thailand, Asian breakfasts are a delightful fusion of tradition, culture, and health. They celebrate the healing power of spices, the balance of flavors, and the importance of fresh, wholesome ingredients. Now let's talk about a staple of Asian cuisine that often takes center stage at breakfast: rice. This humble grain is not just a carbohydrate source. It's a blank canvas for culinary creativity. Take congee! For example, imagine a comforting bowl of rice porridge. Sounds simple, right? Well, that's part of its charm. Congee is a nourishing blend of rice, water, and thyme, slowly simmered to create a soothing and satisfying dish. It's a perfect choice for those who prefer a lighter, comforting meal in the morning. And the best part? It's incredibly easy to make. Just cook rice with water until it reaches a soft, creamy consistency. Add a touch of salt and savor the simplicity of this age-old recipe. Another popular option is Vietnamese spring rolls. These fresh rolls are a burst of flavor and nutrition, combining the crispness of rice paper, the freshness of herbs, and a variety of fillings like pork floss, tofu, or shrimp. They're not only delicious, but also incredibly versatile. Spring rolls are perfect as a light breakfast, a mid-morning snack, or even an appetizer for a brunch gathering. Now, preparing a spring roll might sound intricate, but it's easier than you think. Start by soaking rice paper wrappers in warm water to soften them. This will make them pliable and ready to be filled with your chosen ingredients. Roll them up, secure the edges, and you're ready to go. For a quick and healthy breakfast, pair your spring rolls with a drizzle of soy sauce or a dip of your choice. From the cobblestone streets of France to the vibrant markets of Asia, our journey continues. Our next stop is Latin America. Picture this: the sun streaming through colorful windows, the air filled with the aroma of freshly brewed coffee, and the rhythmic beat of salsa music in the background. Here, breakfast isn't just a meal, it's a celebration of life. In Latin America, families come together to enjoy a vibrant blend of flavors, textures, and traditions. The spirit of hospitality is as warm as the sunshine that bathes these lands, making every breakfast a delightful fiesta for the senses. Let's start with a taste of pure indulgence. Café con leche. This isn't your ordinary coffee. It's a rich tapestry of robust coffee and steamed milk, seasoned with the warmth of cinnamon and a touch of sweetness. Imagine sipping this from a ceramic mug, letting the comforting aroma envelop you as you greet the day. And what better companion for your café con leche than an empanada? These golden pockets of delight are filled with a treasure trove of flavors. From melted cheese and savory meats to spiced beans and potatoes, each bite is a testament to the creativity and warmth that defines Latin American cuisine. These dishes are not just food. They are an expression of cultural pride, passed down through generations. Each serving carries with it the stories and traditions of a people who find joy in the simplest pleasures. And the best part, these culinary delights are surprisingly simple to recreate in your own kitchen. Imagine starting your day by frying or baking flaky pastry dough until it turns into a golden beauty. Then fill it with your favorite ingredients, fold it into a neat package, and bake it to perfection. The result, a homemade empanada that brings the taste of Latin America to your table. It's time to bring the flavors of our global morning tour into your kitchen. Whether you're a Francophile, an Asian cuisine enthusiast, or a Latin American food aficionado, the world of international breakfast offers a myriad of possibilities to make your mornings exciting and nutritious. First, incorporate at least one international flavor into your weekly breakfast rotation. Whether it's a French toast with a sprinkle of cinnamon, Vietnamese spring rolls with a side of soy sauce, or Latin American empanadas with a dollop of salsa, a little global flair can make your morning extraordinary. Second, remember to balance taste with nutrition. Incorporate protein into your Asian-inspired meals with options like tofu or edamame. Pair your French toast with a side of fresh fruit or yogurt, or add a poached egg to your Latin American MP. Third, embrace variety. Rotate between Asian, French, and Latin-inspired dishes to keep your mornings exciting. Mix and match flavors. Experiment with new ingredients. And discover the joy of international cuisine in the comfort of your own home. And finally, don't forget to share your global breakfast adventures. Snap those mouth-watering creations, post them online, and inspire others to embark on their own culinary journeys. Who knows? You might just spark a global breakfast revolution as our global breakfast adventure comes to a close. I'm reminded of how each morning holds the promise of a fresh start, an opportunity to nourish our bodies and invigorate our spirits. Whether we begin our days with the elegant simplicity of French cuisine, the vibrant warmth of Latin American flavors, or the comforting wholesomeness of Asian rice dishes, or perhaps a delightful fusion of all three, every breakfast tells a story. It's a narrative of cultural heritage, personal preference, and the universal love for good food and great company. So as you sit down to your breakfast table, take a moment to appreciate the symphony of flavors, aromas, and textures that await you. Embrace the diversity that makes each morning unique, and let your breakfast be a reflection of the wonderful, exciting world we inhabit. Bon appetit! And until next time.